Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 23 of the chapter linear equations in one variable. In this part 23, we will be discussing a new topic called reducing equations to simpler form, and further we will solve some questions of the exercise 2.5. Now, reducing equations to simpler form, that I can discuss with this example number 16. See, let us have both the sides of equation some fraction, and if you want to remove that fraction, we have already learnt we need to multiply both the sides by LCM of those denominators. Here denominators are 3 and 6 and LCM of them is 6. Now, if I multiply 6 in the left hand side, this 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is getting multiplied by 6, and in right hand side 6 is multiplying to x minus 3 upon 6, and in right hand side it is easy that this 6 get cancels and we are having only x minus 3 in right hand side, whereas in left hand side I have got a binomial or a two terms where 6 is multiplying to each. So, by distributive property, 6 of 6x plus 1 upon 3 plus 6 into plus 1 gives you plus 6. Now, this 3 cancels this 6 and gives you 2 times of 6x plus 1 plus 6 equal to x minus 3. Now, further simplifying, that is 2 multiplying to this 6x plus 1 by the same distributive property, we will have 12x plus 2 plus 6 equals to x minus 3. So, 12x plus 2 plus 6, this plus 2 plus 6 are like terms, their sum becomes 8. Continuing further, 12x plus 8 equals to x minus 3. Here we have all the variable terms taken one side, all the numerical terms are taken on another side. So, 12x, this plus x, when it comes this side it becomes minus x, and here we have already minus 3 in right hand side, and 8 which is addend comes here and becomes subtrahend. Now, 11x, 12x minus x is 11x, and minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, and 11 is multiplying to the variable x. If it comes this side, it does division. Therefore, value of x is minus 11 upon 11, which is equals to minus 1. This is the value of a variable which we call solution. This is how we solve. Now, coming to the next question number or example number 17, which further we can discuss Here I have got so many variable terms in left hand side as well as in right hand side. Now, if you want to simplify this, we will do separately LHS, that is 5x minus 2 time of 2x minus 7. We will simplify further by removing bracket. 5x minus 2 into plus 2x gives you minus 4x, minus 2 into minus 7 gives you plus 14, minus 2 multiplied to minus 7. This 5x minus 4x is x plus 14 is LHS. Now, I am doing separately RHS, RHS which is 2 time of 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. So, I will remove first bracket here, multiplication over subtraction, which is 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2, where minus 2 plus 7 by 2 are like terms, where their simplification is 6x three 7 by 2 is nothing but 3 and a half. 7 by 2 is nothing but 3.5. In 3.5 minus 2, if it is taken away, then I will be having 1 and a half. Either I can say 1.5 or I can say 3 by 2, whichever is convenient. So, it is orally we can do sometimes. It is all how we are good at thinking. So, in LHS I have got x plus 14, in RHS I have got 6x plus 1.5. Now, I will equate those. So, what I did, I solved separately LHS or simplified separately LHS and RHS, and that I am equating now, where x plus 14 equals to 6x plus 1.5. Now, variable terms I am taking one side and I am sending numerical terms on another side. So, 14, this addition or addend becomes subtrahend here, 6x minus x, where 14 minus 1.5 is 11.5. 11.5 or 12.5? It's 12.5, na? Right? It's 12.5. 6x minus x is 5x, and here 5 is multiplying x equal to 12.5 is nothing but 25 by 2, and further this 5 also divides, 5 ones are 5, 5s are. Now, x value you have got 5 by 2 or it is 2 and a half. So, it is the solution of the given equation. So, this is how we solve example number 17. Now, coming to the exercise 2.5 questions. See children, we need to when there is fraction, we need to get rid of this fraction. So, for that we have to multiply both sides So, we have to multiply by the LCM of these denominators 2, 5, 3, 4. So, 12 5 is 60. So, 60 is their LCM. So, if I do that, either or I can do separately to LHS LCM of 2 and 5 is 10, and here LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. If I do separately also, I will get. So, choice is ours. So, I will do it by taking LCM of all the 4 denominators in one method 1, and next I will do it separately, LHS separately, RHS separately. So, 60 multiplied over left hand side x by 2 minus 1 by 5 equals to 60 multiplied to the right hand side, that is x by 3 plus 1 by 4, where same way distribution property multiplication over subtraction to be done in left hand side, as well as distributive property multiplication over addition to be done on right hand side. So, 60 into x by 2 minus 60 into 1 by 5 equals to 60 into x by 3 plus 60 into 1 by 4. So, with each term that 60 is multiplying. So, 2 30 that means 30x I have got, 5 12 minus 12 I have got in left hand side, 3 20 so 20x in right hand side I have got 20x plus 15. Now, it is easy to solve this. So, 30x minus 20x, all variable terms I took one side, 15 plus 12, this minus 12 if it comes this side it becomes addend. So, 30x minus 20x is 10x equals to 27. It implies x equals to 2.7. Why? Because this 10 is multiplying, if it comes this side divides, 27 by 10 is 2.7. It is the solution. Now, same thing we will do separately, simplifying left hand side and our right hand side. We have got x by 2 minus 1 by 5 in left hand side. So, there is simplification by taking LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So, it becomes 5x minus 2 by 10. Sorry, I have got 5x minus 2 by 10, where in which in right hand side x by 3 plus 1 by 4, where LCM is 12. So, 4x plus 3 I have got in right hand side. Now, by equating left hand side and right hand side, 5x minus 2 by 10 equals to 4x minus 3 by 12. Now, we have denominators as a complete fraction here to the right hand side, to the left hand side both. Now what I can do, I can cross multiply. We say cross multiplication, that is sending 10 to the right hand side, which is denominator in left hand side, 12 which is denominator in right hand side, sending it to the left hand side, makes 12 times of 5x minus 2 equals to 10 times of 4x minus 3. It is done only when in left hand side and in right hand side, both the sides, if we have one full fraction type to the left hand side, if you observe 5x minus 2 is fully numerator and that whole is divided by 10, that is 10 is denominator. Even in right hand side, if you observe 4x minus 3 is whole working as a numerator, and for that whole divided by 12, where this 12 is a denominator in right hand side, then only we can do this way. Here in the given question, when left hand side equals right hand side, I cannot send any of this 2 or a 5 which is not a whole upon to the other side. Okay. So when we have this way whole upon denominator, then only we can send. Now further it is simplified by same distributive property. 12 times of 5x minus 2 equals to 10 times of 4x minus 3. So 12 5s are 60x, 12 minus 2s are minus 24, 10 4s are 40x, 10 minus 3s are minus 30. Now 40x comes this side, so 60x minus 40x equals to minus 30 plus minus 24 if it comes this side. I think here I have done a mistake of plus sign, 4x plus 3, plus sign, plus sign and plus sign and plus sign. So plus 24, which is 54, equals to 20x, x equals to 54 divided by 20, and further it gives only 2.7. This way also we can solve. Now coming to the question number 2, here I have got in left hand side variable terms with the denominators different. So what I will do, I will take LCM of them. What is the LCM of them? 2, 4, 6, 12 is the LCM. So n by 2, this term will give you 6n minus 3n by 4 gives you 9n minus 9n, because 4 3s are, that 3 is multiplied here, 6 2s are, that 2 is multiplied here, so plus 10n equals to 21. Now 6n minus 9n plus 10n, on simplification I will get 7n upon 12 equals to 21. So now you observe it is like a whole fraction where denominator is 12, numerator is 7n. This I can send now. 7n equals to 21 into 12, and 7 is which is multiplying here. If it is also sent, 21 into 12 upon 7, you know here 12 denominator, if it comes here multiplies, here 7 is multiplying, if it comes here it divides. So 7 1s are, 7 3s are, therefore n equals to 3 into 12 n equals to 36 is the solution. Of the given equation. So, this is how we solve. So, with this I will wind up this session. I will start from the question number 3 of the exercise 2.5. From the next session we will discuss that. Okay. So, till then, take care of yourself, be healthy and be happy. Jai Hind. Thank you.